the new metal structure for the new solar panel. We catch a fish! Yeah!
The new system for the solar panels is on. So happy. That's the dream. This is funny. I believe that's the best boat in the world. That's an ML54 2010, I think this one is. 2012 maybe. And it's freaking amazing. We know this boat is no, if you have the money, this is the boat you want, for blue water cruising. But just beside it, I saw this guy here, which is a Moody 54. And the cool thing, or the weird thing, I still need to wrap my head around. The Moody 54 is essentially the unauthorized son of a Amel 54 and a Oyster with the saloon deck, which is pretty cool, actually. Like the one thing that Amel is, doesn't have is enough light and visibility inside, because it is built for like heavy blue water navigation, meaning that you have really small windows and like no way for to create water. How do you say that? It's too early in the morning. Water passes, so you don't want that. And the Moody is actually really cool. It's the same size, it's the same form. It's have like the same lines and everything of the Amel, but it has a higher deck and a saloon deck. And I went to search for this one online to see how it looks like. And it's essentially inside is an Oyster and outside looks like an Amel, which is pretty cool.
Hey guys, today, right now, there are the guys who made the new metal structure for the new solar panel. This will be the new structure that goes right here instead of the old ones.
Sono occupato a bagnare con l'idropulitrice, Angelica la sento gridare da qua. Fabio! Aspetti!
Hey! 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 Shut up with the noise! Hey! Shut up with the shut up!
So we are almost at the end of the day, and we have pretty much a lot of things done. It took us almost 2 months to get to this point, between asking estimates, getting a quote, searching for the material, finding the right providers. Yeah. Anyhow, but we now have a new solar arc system. So we have a beautiful new solar there, 2 panels of 440 watts from EcoFlow. There's going to be another 2 coming on the back, right here on the back, that they're going to mount tomorrow. We are also installing the new roll bars handles for the wheels, so we can attach ourselves during really bad weather, which I expect never to use. We also move the engine. We'll have a new engine mount here, so I'm gonna move the engine from there to there, so I can equilibrate a little bit more the weight distribution on the boat. Right now the boat sits like this. We spoke about that many times in other videos. So now I can move the engine this side.
So the plan for today is to fishing a big tuna, or what is the other? Maki mahi. There is a place here in Brindisi near the marina. It's a big dam that goes in open waters for about maybe a kilometer, and there are a lot of fishermen, and everyone told us that here we can catch something, so that's the hope. We'll see. Today there is a lot of competition. We are going at the end of the dam because we are going to catch tuna and big stuff. Max, always happy for my plans for the Sundays.
Nice, not
Yeah, that's cool. We didn't catch anything, of course.
like absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
Not one fish, not one eel, not even one piece of trash out of the water. In line with our experience fishing up to this point. So we are starting to think that it's not gonna happen for us. Like this is simply something that is not gonna happen for us. So we will live out of canned tuna and meat.
Yeah.
No, it sucks. But hey, at least we try.
We catch a fish! Yeah!
It is so gross, so oily.
Oily, yeah.
It's really nice. Really
Good.
Fantastic!
Good work.
Yeah! Finally!
She's the fisher of the family. Yeah.
Finally! After 3 days of fishing.
Okay.
My first fish!
Nice.
Guys, the first fish in the goat. Fantastic. It's very beautiful. Okay. Now we have to cook it. And we'll see if it tastes good. We have a long way ahead of us. Heading back home.
No, not home. Not home.
Heading back to Milan.
And back to Milan for work.
Most shocking thing is the temperature. Here right now there is 20. It's 7 in the morning and there are 20 degrees. At home there are maybe 10 degrees with rain and cold.
It started raining like a month ago, and it just didn't stop, which is normal for that, that region of Italy. It will stop raining in April. 10 hours later, we arrive home. Home. Our home is the boat, but this is where we used to live before going off. You maybe remember this from the last video at home. This will be a week of going back and forward from Milan every day at 6 a.m. and back at 8 p.m. We will be back Sunday, and hopefully, not hopefully, but hopefully, the solar panels will be installed. The VHF have a problem, it turned off constantly by itself. I was hoping it was a problem with the amperage of the connector, but no, it's the radio itself. We are almost there. The rigging guys will work this week while we are here, and hopefully next week we will start finalizing the projects and be able to leave the marina, which will be really cool. One of the biggest errors of my life was to show the blonde Halloween, which became her favorite holiday ever. And now we need to celebrate Halloween no matter what. So one of the reasons why we came back, wait, where are you guys? One of the reasons why we came back this weekend is because it's Halloween. So now I have spent a couple of hours working on, big stakes. And we have people over, and I will show it to you.
A week full of work, and today we are heading south. We have about 9 to 10 hours of driving. It's 4 in the afternoon, and we've been driving for about...
We is like a lot of people.
Max been driving for about 8 hours. We have the last hour left to drive, and I'm really tired. I'm doing nothing, and we almost arrived. Brindisi, and it's Vlad. I know that Vlad is expecting me.
I don't think so. The new system for the solar panels is on. So happy.
Wow.
I can do this tomorrow, but I want to see them today. So let's see. Okay, first I need to re-put this on the Starlink antenna, but the new system looks great. Everything looks really nice. Everything looks great. And I see that we have the lines are all messed up. So that tells me that the guys from the rigging came by them too. Let's see. I see lines lying around yeah. Okay. That's the anchor. So that tells me that the guys came by and did some work. I don't know what they did, but let me see. They created the new hole for the hauler of the for the stay sail. I can see that there. Yeah, that's still gonna take time to be done.